Hi guys, how are you doing? It's Michelle here. Now today we're going to talk about viral content B. I think I'm going to break this into two processes. For this one, I'm going to show you how I put my work on viral content B, and then I'm going to make another video explaining what it's all about. So this is a quick way on how to put your content on viral content B. So that's the website. Now I'm going to log in. And of course, these are the credits I have left for today. So I'm going to add a project. So I get the URL from the article I just wrote. I paste it. Oops, nope, that's not the right one. So let's go back over here. Grab the URL, paste it. That's not working. There we go. And of course, we're going to put the title. Now, one of the tips when you're doing the title is to put a hashtag in the title so it gets a little bit more coverage. And another little trick I want to show you is when you're hashtagging, if you put the underscore, the entire phrase gets hashtagged. So just watch along with me as I do this. Now I'm not a quick typist, as you can see. Okay, so now we need to have the description. So I go back to my content and I'm going to take usually the first paragraph. Usually that says everything I need it to say. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to put the description in the box. Sometimes I do put a hashtag in the description as well. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And if you notice right here, characters left, I have used up, I think it's 200 characters, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. Because it's more, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist and it's fine that way. So let's move down some more. What else do I need to do? I need to choose a category. Now, it's my business website, so I'm going to put business. I'm also going to put, let's just say education, because it's all about tips. And you can do 3 is the maximum you can do. So I just want to put affiliate marketing. These are the categories where they will feature your article. Now the project budget. The default is 10. However, to get some kind of exposure, 100 would be great. But for now, we're just going to start with 30. I find when I start with 30, and in my other video, I will tell you how to earn your points, and we will take it from there. Now, you want people to tweet your article. You need an image to get the tweet going, so let's go over to here and find my article. Now my article is about communication. You know what, I'll just use this one. Okay, and then I'm going to allow people to pin it as well, so now I need a URL for the image. So I'm going to go back to my original document article, and this is the picture that I'm using. So I'm going to go to my add media. I'm going to find the picture, which is right here. And if you look over here, that's the URL that we need for the picture. So I'm going to copy that, go back to viral content, and then I'm going to put the URL. So that's the picture that's going to show on Pinterest for my article. Allow people to share on LinkedIn, on Tumblr, on Mix. Mix is the new stumble upon. And of course, have people retweet my article, and that's my Twitter name. And of course, I have read the quality guidelines, and I do recommend you do the same. And then you hit submit. Your article is going at this point. The moderators are going to take a look. It says right here, success, thanks, your new project will appear for public sharing as soon as it's reviewed by the moderators. It will be available for other users to share until your set budget, 30 credits, that's what I started with, is spent. Please share other people's projects to earn more credits and add more projects. So, oops, wait, we have a problem. It says you're already promoting this URL. Please close or delete the existing project before creating this one. 1 second, guys. I think I did start. So we have to fix that. So I won't keep you going, but you get the general idea. As you can see, if there is a duplicate article, it will tell you that. So I need to go check that out. In any event, thanks for watching, and I will do the other video introducing viral content B.